How to fix Windows not detecting Bluetooth device. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First step is you have to make sure your airplane mode is turned off. So simply search for airplane mode and then make sure it is turned off, and in this wireless device settings, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. If the problem still exists and it does not detect any kind of Bluetooth device like your headphone or anything, simply go to settings and then search for device manager. Launch your device manager, double click on Bluetooth and then select your Bluetooth device, right click on it. Right click on your Intel wireless Bluetooth and then go to update driver. Make sure you get the latest and the best driver that is optimizable in for your device. And next, what you can also do is uninstall this device and reinstall it back from the authorized source. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.